Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised a long time ago, finally I'm taking you with me to do the grocery shopping so you can have an idea of what does it cost to buy food in Florence. And we are going to a rather big supermarket today. Of course, the smaller supermarket in the city center might cost more, but here you will get an idea of just an average price for Florence. And yeah, I'm excited to take you with me today. I have my grocery list for today. I'll show you a bit of basics that I usually buy, and also maybe a bit more specific things. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel first if you're new here, and don't forget to like this video if you want to see more. And now, if you're ready, let's go with me. I actually have this discount of €5 for every 30 euros of your purchase. So we're gonna use this one as well today, and we'll see how much you're gonna spend in total. So we'll start with the strawberries because it's the strawberry season and I love them so much, and they're just so good right now. I also saw some grapes, even though it's not a grape season, but it's okay. I just needed some bananas today, not the grapes, because I really love having bananas at home, as a snack. And also I love the persimmons and oranges and lemons that you can still see in the Italian supermarkets. And there is so much color, and I love it about the Italian supermarkets. And also you can get some freshly squeezed orange juice from this station right here. Inside the Italian supermarket, make sure to wear the gloves if you're taking the fruits and vegetables and then putting them into these small bags. My next step were the cucumbers, and the fun thing about Italian supermarkets, you usually weigh your own fruits and vegetables. You just choose the right number on the scale and you get the weight and also the final price. Now, whenever you need to get the cured meats or cheese or bread and not the pre-packed ones, you take the number and you wait in the queue to get served. And in this supermarket, you can even get the paninis at lunchtime. The next stop was for meat, and since I don't come here very often because it's not where I live, it took me some time to figure out where the poultry was, because I was looking for chicken breast, found them, and now I also want to show you the selection of cheese. Even though I don't get cheese today, look at the variety. I got a few other things from this section, like this probiotic yogurt and the kefir, which is an amazing find, and this ricotta, which is kind of a cottage cheese, and I love having it for breakfast with fruit. And then onto the milk section, I love how many local Tuscan brands are here, and the selection of dairy products is absolutely insane. I love it. And so yeah, I got some milk and then got the baguette, and on to the wine section. I didn't need any wine that day, but I just really wanted to show you the prices a little bit to give you an idea of what to expect. And now on to this Easter eggs craze, because it's Easter season and you can find these huge Easter eggs in every single supermarket. And also these teeny tiny Easter eggs styled as the local football club, the Fiorentina. How cute are they? I got just the regular chocolate because I cannot function without chocolate in everyday life, and also wanted to show you the selection of Nutella. And here are some discounted products like passata al pomodoro, the tomato paste, and you can choose among the wide variety, like the organic one and the regular one. And it's a lifesaver when you don't have time and you just want some pasta, with tomato sauce. Speaking of pasta, this is my favorite type because it's made with local wheat and it doesn't cost much and it tastes really good. Speaking of coffee, I'm trying to cut down my caffeine consumption and not drink much coffee at home. The only one I drink is this decaf, but I still have some at home. The tea is a different story, and the selection is really sad in Italian supermarket. It's really small, the choice is really small, but I also had to get some stuff for baking because I plan to bake a little bit. So, just regular stuff like flour and sugar and all the things you may need for baking. And then I went to get some eggs, and look at this, guys. What is going on? These are supposed to be the eggshells and they're empty. I think it might be linked to the floods, but I don't know. There were no eggs whatsoever that day. Then I went to grab some pickles for an aperitif I'm hosting later, and also I wanted to show you the water section. Fun thing in Italy, guys, you do not have to buy this whole box of water. You can actually get just one bottle from the pack, or if you need, you can take 2 bottles, and it's like super common. You will see these open packages all over. And last but not least, I told you I needed something very specific, and I was talking about the dishwashing sponges because I just ran out of those, so had to grab them. And now it's time for the checkout. How much do you think, guys, I spent for this bag of groceries?
So I ended up spending 25 euros, but I actually ended up spending 26. And since they have this promo running now, when you buy groceries for 30 euros and then get 5% discount, I had to improvise, guys, and got this Easter treat, the Easter chocolate, that's right into 30 euros. And so I actually ended up paying 25 instead of the 26 that I had to pay initially for what I had to get. And I also ended up buying the big package of water, since I'm with car today, I decided I'd rather have it. And yeah, that's actually the average for the groceries. But of course, you're gonna spend as much as you need based on what you consume and how much you cook at home. This is the regular for me for a couple of days, and I also wanted to show you the prices for other products, even the ones I didn't get today because I don't need them, because I had them at home, and yeah, like the egg situation, which was super strange. And yeah, I hope that I managed to show you a little bit what to expect in terms of the cost of groceries in Florence. And yeah, guys, I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.